When taking your chickens home, it's really important to try and make the transition as stress-free as possible. So making sure your coop is all set up is just common sense. Get the bedding in and feed. Now, ideally you want the same feed that the girls are on so they're not stressed by a change of feed. Water, add a clove of garlic. It's great for the chicken's immunity, which can be slightly lowered when they're stressed. If you've got any batch rescue remedy, stress relief, that's great as well. The other thing is, what are you going to bring your girls home in? Now, ideally you want a nice cardboard box or pet carrier with some straw in. You're looking at putting at least 2 girls together for company and security. It isn't ideal to transport one chicken alone. You wouldn't like it. They don't know where they're going, so group them together if you can. Make sure the ventilation's good. If you have young children with you, it's very important to keep them calm. I know they're going to be excited, but have a chat with them. Nice calm voices, no screaming and shouting. It will scare the girls. Keep the radio down in the car as well. Don't have your music blaring. They really will wonder what's going on. When you get home, you need to pop your girls into the coop with the pop hole closed and just ground them in there for half an hour. Then you open the pop hole. It will take the girls a while to come down. It's all new to them, but they'll hesitantly come out gradually. And you hope by doing this that they will remember at night to go back up. You will occasionally get a dim chicken that just stands staring at the pop hole. You will have to pick her up and pop her in and lock her up for the night. But normally after the first night, they get into the routine and they do it themselves. They're very, very easy. They always put themselves to bed then. Introducing chickens to your other pets. It's really important if you've got dogs to introduce on a lead and calmly. You don't want your dog to get hold of the chicken. They can die from stress. So do it calmly. Make sure you make a fuss of your dog as much as you are the new chickens. I know it's difficult, but they do get jealous. And with children, I know they want to be out there all the time, but just sit calmly and let the chickens come to you.